I have been into marketing since past 5 years, but my main experience come from a traditional marketing. And in today's world, if you want to survive in marketing, you have to understand digital fundamentals. If you don't know anything in digital space, then surviving in this market is very difficult, and that is what I was really facing. After moving to Australia, I was really struggling to get a good job because here everything work on digital space and you have to have a digital experience, and I had no digital experience whatsoever. That's where I started looking for a good digital marketing course. I was looking through a lot of videos on YouTube to understand how digital marketing works, what are their fundamentals, how to crack an interview, how to understand a customer's requirements so that I can explain that in an interview and then get a job. But no luck. I watched through so many videos, but I wanted something which gives me a lot of hands-on experience, because theoretical experience is, it's fine, you can understand, but unless you don't implement it in practicality, it's nothing. And that's when I came across an amazing video of Alok sir, and without a second thought I joined his course, and till date it was my best decision ever. He is a true mentor. He not only helped me to procure an amazing job here in Australia, and I'm so happy about it and I'm so proud of it that I got that job 2 months after enrolling into this job in this course, because he is always there for you. He's always available if you have any doubt, any question. If he's busy, his team is so supportive that any point of day that if you reach out to them, they are happy to help. They give you lots and lots of assignment. That assignment is something I was looking forward to, because that's what gave me the all hands-on experience in digital space. And now I'm really confident. And in today's, there was a time where I had three offer letter in my hand, and I had to select that, okay, which job I need to take. So my journey with AADME has been amazing. Alok sir is always there. I have completed my course, but still till date, if I have any doubt, he's always there to support, guide me, help me. Even the team, even the support team, even the Arpit sir, he has always been amazing support, and I can't thank them enough for what I am today, and helping me to get that confidence back, and of course getting a job. I literally lost the hope, and now I have a job, all thanks to Alok sir. So if you are looking for a digital marketing course, there is no other course like this, because trust me, I have tried all of them, and this course is the best course ever. So please go ahead, and all the very best, and thank you, Alok sir.